Is Python still worth learning in 2025? Absolutely. Python is powering your favorite apps and websites, from social media to AI. Stick with me for the next 4 minutes, and I'll show you why Python is the language you need to master as a beginner. Oh, and if you think that's all, I've got a little surprise waiting for you at the end. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Let's unlock endless opportunities in tech. First, a quick fact check. Python was created by Guido van Rossum in 1991 and has skyrocketed to become one of the most popular programming languages in the world. It's consistently ranked in the top 1 programming languages, thanks to its simple, readable syntax. Whether you want to build websites, automate tasks, or dive into machine learning, Python has you covered. Now let's really get into the good stuff. Let's talk concepts. Python for beginners is like unboxing a new gadget. You're excited, and it's surprisingly easy to use. First up, variables. Imagine them as your digital pockets, ready to hold anything from numbers to words. Want to store your high score, favorite movie, or a random fact about cats? Python's got your back. Just toss it in a variable, and you're good to go. It's super easy. No need to declare data types. Python's smart enough to figure that out on its own. Let's dive into if-else statements. Think of these as Python making decisions for you. It's like asking yourself, should I have pizza for dinner or try that new salad? No worries. Python's got the logic handled. Speaking of repeating yourself, don't. That's where functions come in. They let you bundle code so you don't have to write the same thing again and again. Need to manage data in Python? Use lists for flexible collections, tuples for unchangeable groups, and dictionaries for key-value pairs. Each serves a distinct role, helping you keep your data in order. Finally, let's talk about error handling. Mistakes happen, like dividing by 0. Oops. Python's not here to judge, though. With try-except blocks, you can catch errors and keep your code running smoothly. No crashes, no drama. Python keeps your code on track, even when things go wrong. Now, where can you actually use Python? Python is incredibly versatile. You can build websites using frameworks like Django or Flask. If you're into data science or machine learning, Python is the go-to language, with libraries like Pandas, TensorFlow, and scikit-learn leading the charge. Python is also widely used for automating tasks. You can write scripts to automate repetitive tasks like managing files or scraping data. From game development and cybersecurity to embedded systems, Python has left its imprint on almost every tech industry today. One of the best parts about learning Python is its vibrant community. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, there's always someone to help you out. You can find support and resources on platforms like Stack Overflow, Reddit, and Discord, where you can ask questions and share knowledge. Don't forget about PyPI, the Python Package Index, where you can discover thousands of libraries to enhance your projects. Also, joining local meetups or attending major conferences like PyCon or EuroPython can be invaluable for networking, sharing ideas, and learning about the latest trends in Python. But here's the real bonus. Python has an incredible community and a wealth of resources. We've created a GitHub repository with a full course, tons of resources, and 3 impactful projects to help boost your resume. You'll find the link in the description below. For beginners, this repository offers a structured way to get hands-on experience and build a solid foundation. You can also find free tutorials on Codecademy and Free Codecamp, and platforms like Coursera and Udemy provide paid courses with certifications. And remember, contributing to open source projects not only sharpens your skills, but also builds your portfolio. Learning Python in 2025 is an excellent choice. Whether you're starting your coding journey, level up your career, or explore fields like AI, Python is the key. Now go ahead, write your first line of code, and welcome to the world of Python. So, if you're ready to dive in, like and subscribe for more quick guides and tips. Thank you for watching, and keep glowing with Code Gleam.